Samsung referral code. So if you just tap on your menu in top left and then in shop app in Samsung. So here is the shop Samsung app. And then you just tap on my referrals. Here you can see your referral code, and your friends, family, and or colleagues will get 5% off, and you can unlock up to $1,000 in rewards. Then you can just refer via email, your friend's name, your friend's email address. And then you will see how many points you earned. And then, yeah, that's the idea. So feel free to use my code REFIECTRT. So this is the code, and then you can just enter this code and get 5% off. So pretty cool deal, I would say. So if you're shopping via Samsung, I will really recommend you to use my code, for example, and I will get some perks and you will get 5% off. So try that out.